everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been generating a lot of buzz lately, the Universal Basic Income Project. With the rise of AI and automation replacing jobs, many are wondering how society will adapt and thrive in the future. Join us as we explore the potential benefits and challenges of implementing a universal income system. So, what exactly is universal basic income? It's a concept where every citizen receives a regular and unconditional payment from the government. Let's start by looking at the benefits this idea brings to the table. 1. Financial security. First and foremost, UBI provides a safety net for individuals in times of economic uncertainty. It ensures that everyone has a minimum income to cover their basic needs, reducing poverty and promoting overall well-being. 2. Promoting creativity and innovation. With the financial burden eased, people have the freedom to pursue their passions and creative endeavors. This can lead to a surge in innovation, as individuals are no longer solely focused on making ends meet. 3. Facilitating transition. As automation and AI technologies reshape industries, many jobs may become obsolete. UBI can smooth the transition by providing individuals with the means to retrain, learn new skills, and adapt to the changing job landscape. While the idea of universal basic income holds promise, it's essential to address the concerns and potential challenges it might bring. 1. Dis-incentivization. Critics worry that a guaranteed income might discourage people from seeking traditional employment, potentially leading to a decline in workforce participation and overall productivity. 2. Economic impact. Implementing a universal income system requires significant funding, raising questions about its economic feasibility and potential tax implications. 3. Inflation and market distortion. There's concern that injecting a substantial amount of money into the economy could lead to inflation and disrupt market dynamics. As we look towards the future, finding a balance between the benefits and challenges of universal basic income becomes crucial. 1. Pilot programs and data analysis. Several countries and regions have experimented with UBI pilot programs, collecting data to better understand its impact on society, the economy, and individual well-being. 2. Collaboration and innovation. To make UBI a successful reality, it requires collaboration between policymakers, economists, and society as a whole. Innovating and adapting the concept to fit each unique context is essential. In the grand scheme of things, the Universal Basic Income Project is a captivating idea with the potential to reshape the way society functions. As we navigate the path ahead, it's crucial to weigh the potential benefits against the challenges and uncertainties. The future may hold exciting opportunities, and by engaging in open dialogue, we can work together to create a more inclusive and prosperous world. Thank you for joining us today to explore the concept of universal basic income. If you found this video thought-provoking, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more discussions on the future of technology, society, and beyond. As always, share your thoughts and insights in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.